Hello, today I am going to present on automated EA deployment script for WebSphere application server. Automated deployment script, it is a JSCL or Jython script. This is supported by 5.0, version 5.1, 6.0, 6.1 and 7.0 a WebSphere application server. This script has the reusable capability that can be used for many customers. This is a typical user deployment flow. In the development environment, the developers they deployed the EF file on their environment, and then it's integrated with the QA. QA environment is for testing purpose. When it's approved for the production, then the EF file is deployed on production that goes to live. So this is a typical user deployment flow. Automated deployment examples, we can say like build script. The EF file consists of Java, EJB client, var app client. When these all components are assembled together, the EF file is created. So the script is used for that also. And the flexible operations driven with multiple dynamic sets of ears. There can be many ears to deploy on multiple targets. It has the options to install on a server, in a cluster and network deployment cell, support optimized install update to multiple clusters, server targets, redeployment update of updated ear, leads towards version 6 cluster update function, and simple check of resulting application is started and correct URL responses. This script basically checks the URL which we give against if it confirms that a particular URL and existing installation are uninstalled. This is a deployment command. Like we have 2 to 3 EF files, we have to put those EF files in a directory, and then those EF files can be deployed to multiple targets. Those can be there can be more than 2 clusters, so the EF files will be deployed on those specific cluster members. Here we can see the deployment targets can be many nodes, and on those nodes cluster, like here we have given the example cluster 1. It has the targets and it has 2 nodes, and there are about 5 their members, servers. So the EF files are deployed on those targets. This is the script example. Here we give many options. Like we can see we have given the cluster name, node name, the URL for testing purpose, test response. These all are given in a script. Here we have given the application name, starting weight, and one more thing also, the class loader policy. Usually when we do manual deployment, there are some issues with the class loading policy. Sometimes the EJBs are not taken, so it gives some exceptions. These are the deployment example update algorithm. Like we have to user a cron monitor invocation with the distribution directory. These are the capabilities of a script. It calculates all affected nodes servers using target properties. Pre-verify current configuration. It checks nodes servers application exists or available. Initialize all affected nodes. Save auto sync setting, then set to false. Then script install update application, set settings, set targets, future resources, etc. Optimized phase node distribution. Stop affected node servers. If there are servers, those are not synced with the node and they are in hung state. This script automatically restarts affected node servers. Hook point. User plugin config, a plugin cfg.xml, a workflow rerouting, restore all affected nodes, post verify started application, save years properties into deployed repository. Here we can see the hierarchy of cluster, node and their members. This is the cluster which is the target where we have to deploy ER file, and this is known as trade cluster. These are the nodes, these are the node agents, and these are the members of trade cluster, server 1, server 2. Here we have placed the script which we will run to auto deploy the ER file. We have created the auto deploy directory. In this one we have placed the script. This is the cluster and this is the trade cluster. Its name is given over here. And these are the web modules, EJB jar files. These all settings are done in script, and this is installed application before installation of trade application, and these are the already installed applications. And now we have to run the script. This is a simple step, just wsadmin script and install. It will execute by itself. There is no any human interaction with this one. We have to just watch carefully these information messages to see if any error comes. This is the second step, and this is the third. It will give information that servers are started, application is deployed, and many other informative. These are the steps 4 of 4, and now we can see the trade application is deployed on a specific target, that is the trade cluster. We can access the application now and verify it's deployed successful. And here the backup of ER file has been taken, and this is also taken automatically by the script.